thing I cherished with my mother was her strength. She's a very strong woman. Emanuela Manana Maanao Ikulu. So fastly for
Mama, we were so sad when you left us. Things were so right, and our future seemed bright. Then you were gone, Mama, you were gone. You were amazing. You were so beautiful. Tell me, why did it end this way? But before you went on, with your last breath you said we must go on, must go on till Jesus comes. Oh, we'll see you again. Yes, we'll see you, Mom, again. I can't hardly wait. It's gonna be better. We'll be together. Oh, yes, we will. Forever and ever. And my Jesus comes. Jesus comes. It's gonna be better. I can hardly wait. No. We'll be together. Oh, yes, we will. Forever and ever. Some sweet day. Jesus comes. In the place after. In the place after. It's called heaven. There's love and laughter. Love and laughter all the time. Forever and ever. When my Jesus comes. Jesus comes. When he comes. When he comes. When he comes. When he comes. When my Jesus comes. When he comes. It's gonna be better. We'll be together.